Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add your sitemap to Google Search Console. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, you need to have you need to add your website as a property here in Google Search Console. If you don't know, if you didn't do it yet, it's simple. Just click on Add Property. Select URL prefix instead of domain. Fill in your domain name here, for example, yourwebsite.com. Here you need to add or to have the HTTP first. Then your website, click on continue. Here, to verify that you own this website, simply first click on this file, you will be downloaded to your computer, then upload it to your website here. After that, click on verify, and you will have a website added to your account like mine. After that, go to sitemaps, and here fill in your sitemap address or URL. In my case, my website is a WordPress website, so my sitemap URL is /sitemap.xml. Here, most websites, or if you use a different platform than WordPress, for example, hosting their website builder, just look for your platform that you use it and add a sitemap. Then you will give you your sitemap URL. Here, just copy this part like that, or instead of adding this general page, add specific sitemaps. For example, this sitemap is for posts, this one is for pages, this one for categories, and this one for users. To make things easier, or to maximize your website indexing speed, add multiple sitemaps like that. This is the first one. Click on submit. Sitemap submitted successfully. Then repeat the same thing for the other specific sitemaps. Passed. Click on submit and wait a moment. Google will periodically process it and look for changes. You will be notified if anything goes wrong with it in the future. Click on dismiss. If you see couldn't fetch below status, don't worry, just refresh this page and you will see success. And this is how to add a sitemap in Google Search Console. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.